Hey guys, Devlog time, aka my first ever devlog when making a game. So here is how my game is currently looking at the moment, and the little teaser that you saw recently is actually from this game that I'm making now. You can probably see somewhere where the name is, but I have blacked that out because I don't want the name of this game to be released just yet. And also, the reason why I haven't sort of said a release date is because if I do say a release date, then it will put more pressure on me, like making the game and stuff, and I'd rather just take my time to try and get through and just progressively make the game. So this is what the beginning looks like, and yes, I know it looks like a Minecraft level, and yeah, there's a little bit of a contrast here. Well, I don't know if you would call it a contrast, but yeah, you go from like a Minecrafty level to like a well, I would say like a photorealistic room, even though it's not really photorealistic because we're not using Unreal Engine. So, which I'm not saying that Unity doesn't do photorealistic graphics. It's just that Unreal Engine probably does photorealistic graphics better than Unity. I have no idea. But yeah, that's the beginning, and this is just the main level. And I mean, it's only like, a couple of rooms, but the main goal of this game is the experience. Like, I want you guys to be, creeped out, and I just want you guys to experience the creepiness that I've put into this game. There's not really any story in this game. I mean, if there is a story, that I haven't, thought out the story at all, but my main goal was just to make a horror experience, and that's what I've wanted to do. I just wanted to make a horror experience, and that's what I've been trying to do with this game. So, but at the moment, I've kind of hit a bit of a wall, because in one of the rooms I've just shown you, uh, you would go through the door as if you would in a Silent Hill, like, because I've tried to make this game sort of Silent Hill inspired a lot. Like, I've tried to make it as much Silent Hill as I could whilst being in first person. So, like, going through a door, but you're not actually opening up the door, you just sort of teleport into the other side of the door, and the screen fades to black. That's what I've been doing, but I can't do that with this level because I would need to make a bunch of game objects to make, like, I don't know, a game object right here, and the game object's right here to say that, like, my character would teleport to the other side once I open up the door, and if I want to go back through the door, then my character would just teleport onto this side. But I can't keep on doing like game objects for like this door and this door and this door over here. I can't keep doing those game objects because it's just going to fill up the game object hierarchy over here. So I think I'm going to have to break my consistency with the Silent Hill, like going through the door, and instead of teleporting the player, I'm just going to open up the door as normal and just go through, because that would be so much easier and so much less hassle. And I've tried to make it a little bit challenging for myself, but I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to get through this and just build the levels that really sort of shine in this game. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot to actually show you the menu screen. Why is it showing it in 3D? Okay, you know what? 2D. Actually, hang on a minute. I need to actually show you the game part. So this is what the main menu looks like. So yeah, it's just an image background thing with my lovely logo that I created, and just buttons down here to just to do with the game, of course. And we've got one right here, but that's technically a mistake. But yeah, this is actually my first ever devlog, and I've never made a devlog in my life. And I wanted to make this project sort of like a secret-ish, because that's what I've tried to make my other projects sort of secret like, because I like making games with like horror elements to it, or like twists to it. Like, say for example, you've got a normal game of like Flappy Bird, or you've got a normal game of Mario Bros, or something like that, and you just playing the game normally, but then later on, um, it gets a little bit sinister, as in it just starts playing very weirdly. I mean, I can't really explain to you what I mean, but it just gets very weird later on. But at the beginning, it plays normally. So yeah, that's gonna be it of this devlog, and it's been a while since I've actually made a video about game development as a whole. And the reason why I have been away is because I've been focusing on my main channel, Absolute Volts, because I just love recording horror games and editing them so much that, like, it's basically, yes, I've just been away, being busy, and being busy with this game and other games that I've been kind of working on. I've actually been working on a game called Pingy Pongy, and I might share that with you at a later date. But for now, yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. And the reason why I haven't been making tutorials is because I just thought that because there's so many tutorials out there that you wouldn't need my tutorials, but it seems like a lot of you actually really like my tutorials and actually get a lot of help from it. So I might actually do tutorials again in the future, and hopefully they will still help you out. But for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Goodbye, everyone.